Hello everyone. In this class, we will be learning about how to set a how to create a virtual environment in a Python using VS Code. So let's open the VS Code first. So here you can choose command prompt. Okay, from the PowerShell to command prompt, you can switch it. So this is the path we are open. Now I want to create a environment, one virtual environment using Conda. Okay, so for that you're supposed to install the Anaconda. First you have to install the Anaconda. Then if it is installed, then only you are able to create the virtual environment with the help of Anaconda. Okay, so for that I'll be just using Conda create. Okay, then hyphen name. Then you can provide the virtual environment name, whatever it is. You can put it just like my env. Okay, then choose the Python version, Python equal to 3.12, whatever you can create. Then this will be get created, my env. You can observe here that file will be coming here. I'll just say yes. So based on your internet speed, the information will be get downloaded. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, proceed. Yes. Now you can see here all the packages will be getting downloaded. Python 3.1 to 0.9 version. Once done, still installing the required file. Okay, verifying, executing. Okay, Conda deactivate to activate this environment. Okay, I'll just refresh this. Okay, it's supposed to come here. Just a minute. Demo env. Inside that, my env will be coming. Okay, so here you can see my env. So if you want to activate that, so demo env, here you can see demo env. So in order to activate my env, write down Conda activate my env. So now the environment will be get activated. Okay, if you want to install anything, just mention pip install pandas. It will be get installed. Okay, you can see all the installation has been done successfully. So if you want to work on, you can use it. Okay, print hello, print hello. Then if you want to execute, you can run the select the cell, sorry, I mean select the code and execute it. Okay, now just run the file. So just type python intro.python py, then the output you can see here. So this is how we can create a Python using a Conda. Okay, suppose you want to deactivate, you can just write deactivate, Conda deactivate like that. Okay, then it will be get deactivated. The environment get deactivated. Now you can observe here. So this is how we can create an environment using Conda, and we can work on it, and in the end we can deactivate the environment. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.